Your brain isn't broken. It's hijacking your focus and attention. Every distraction you allow trains neurons to fail repeatedly. Skipping your morning task weakens attention circuits immediately,
causing neurons to misfire and focus to collapse all day. Even when you feel tired, your brain silently resists effort. And repeated habits strengthen distraction pathways beyond awareness.
Checking your phone repeatedly reinforces the wrong neural pathway,
making distraction addictive and focus nearly impossible to sustain.
And most people never notice this silent sabotage occurring.
Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward control. You believe distraction is harmless, but your brain disagrees. Every ignored habit slowly weakens your focus circuit.
Your daily routines secretly train your brain to fail.
It's time to challenge identity and reclaim neural control. Start with small actions that guide neurons toward focus. Replace distractions with habits that reinforce attention circuits. Visual cues help the brain recognize productive patterns fast. Micro breaks reset the brain when focus starts to wander. Every repeated action strengthens circuits toward clarity and focus. Focus emerges when your environment supports neural alignment.
Small rewards reinforce circuits, making habits easier to maintain.
Avoid multitasking. It weakens focus and misaligns neurons. These steps prime the brain for lasting attention improvement. By tomorrow, your brain will start noticing these new habits. Commit now to rebuild focus and break distraction loops. Ignore this, and distraction will reclaim your brain tomorrow. Watch tomorrow as we break the loop, stealing focus. Stay consistent. Your neurons will rewire for lasting focus.